Hello, everyone. This is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is an honor and a pleasure today to be at New Covenant Baptist Church right here in Orlando, Florida. And today we're with our seniors, and they all took a head wrap class. So if you are watching today and you want to find out something you can do for your seniors, your youth, your choir, I encourage you to do what this sister did and invited all her friends to get a head wrap lesson. So I'm going to go by each one and I'm going to show you how we do different head wraps. Again, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations. We're at New Covenant Baptist Church, and we had a workshop and breakfast this morning showing head wraps. Can I get an amen? Amen. All right. Now here. She wore her own head wrap, but she chose an African scarf that she could wear over her shoulder. She could wear it over her shoulder, and she can also wear it as a wrap. As you can see, look at the blouse she has on. She has on this lemon blouse, and we have a nice scarf that she could wear that she can also wear as a head wrap with that same blouse. Now we're going to move on to door number 2. Door number 2, we're showing a head wrap made like a flower on the side. We're actually accenting her hair. She can wear multiple colors. Now, black and white, you don't always have to wear black. You can also wear red or yellow or purple. But let's look at this head wrap. All these head wraps were done in less than how many seconds?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Wow. Now, she came in with a statement dress on. We used her head wrap as an example, and she's standing right beside the young lady where we put the head wrap to model hers. Now, she has hair here. I'm going to poke them a little bit. You can have your hair coming out the top of the head wrap, or you can have it accent. What I want is the head wrap to accent you, not cover you. Now, how long did it take you to do your head wrap?
Not 5 seconds.
Not 5.
But in the morning, I think I can do it in a lot less time than I did today because of your instructions.
Okay, so we want to take the fuss out of head wrap. Now, this right here is a gem. This is the young lady who brought me to her lioness den among her sisters. She made this garment. Can you believe this? She made this garment, and she also made a cummerbund. So what we're showing here is the head wrap / cummerbund. So if it's not a cummerbund, we took it and we did what we call a roll crown. How inspiring to take something you already have and turn it to a workable head wrap. Drop dead gorgeous, okay? 5 seconds. Now, you say, but Evelyn, I got locks. What can I do? How do I do this? This is a head wrap, excuse me. Excuse me, allergies coming in. But this is a head wrap where we have a reversible fabric. Look closely. Where the fabric can be worn 2 tones, and we accented her hairstyle. We didn't want to change her hairstyle. So we accented her hairstyle with her beautiful locks with the head wrap. Now, we got the rose here. This is a head wrap where we have made her bun in the back. Now, this bun can go to the front, the side, or in the back. Now, she can change this. This is 1 yard of fabric. I love the portrait look. She can change this 1 yard of fabric that we can take it and make multiple wears out of it. She can also wear this on her shoulder. Now, this Miss Diva here, she loves red. I wonder why. We just took the head wrap. Look at this. This is a layered look. If you look closely, I folded the fabric. Real African fabric does not have a wrong side. And we took it and we just did a Queen Latifah fan braid type hat. So this right here is nice and soft, and we also wanted to accent her hair. Can I get a witness? Yeah. All right. Black and white can never go wrong. You can never, ever go wrong with black and white. Look how she has this statement necklace. Again, we took this head wrap. We wrapped it to the side. We did not try to cover her hair. We tried to accent her hair. We wanted her to still feel her natural beauty. And we did this. Again, this is Evelyn and Evelyn's Creations. Don't touch that dial. Like, subscribe, and share, because we at New Covenant Baptist Church today. Yeah. Look at this head wrap. We rolled it up. Gave her this St. Louis, I call it a St. Louis look. Got it rolled up. She's turning around. She's showing you. We got it down over her back of her edges. Beautiful, inspired. A head wrap with colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, do that portrait look. I love that portrait look. Okay, you guys got to do that portrait look. I love that. one of our finest black nurses, one of the founders here, always shopping with me, making her something to the dime. We alter clothes for her and we make clothes for her. How beautiful. The head wrap turned around. Beautiful, beautiful hair. And we accented her natural hair. We were not trying to cover her hair. We were accenting her natural features, and we just tucked it down. Now the diva with these earrings, the choker, oh my goodness. Dressed to the dime all the way at 9 o'clock in the morning. How you do it? Okay, we did a twist braid here on this hat, and we made it as a small piece of fabric that we made look larger than life. Beautiful head wrap and a wrap, okay? Do the statement collar there. There you go. I love it. I love it. Here, we're working on which way we want to wear it. But in the meantime, you want to see this. Now, if you watch a lot of commercials, they're starting to use this pattern on commercials. Okay, just take a little peek because everything was stolen from Africa. We bringing it back. But this is a scarf turned head wrap. Now, look at these glasses. Beautiful. Excuse me. She got the portrait look down to the, oh my goodness, down to the T. Accented, we had the breakfast this morning, doing head wraps and head instructions. And we took a small cloth, and we're actually resembling this head wrap, which is twice the fabric. But we got a roll twist there. Great for the glasses, perfect. You know, that fits your attitude, that fits your style. I love it, I love it. Okay, this is one of my VIP clients that's always shopping with me. We took her scarf and made a head wrap. We're gonna walk around and see. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, here, a whole yard of fabric. We accented her bangs. Look at the portrait collar. Oh, yes. She said, Evelyn, we do this all the time, honey. We wear African attire all the time. It's not just February. Can I get a witness? Thank you so much. As you know, we have a lot of pollen in Florida right now, so it's getting you. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, did I miss someone? Okay, this is our assistant here. She also showed us some tricks with head wraps. If you do Panesia scarves, she showed, look at how she's wearing this scarf. Look how she's made it part of her lifestyle, her fashion. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at that statement piece. Now, New Covenant Church, the women's ministry, all in their head wraps. Guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna wear these head wraps. They're gonna inspire their youth to wear head wraps, head gear. And we love it, love it. So thank you for watching Evelyn's Creations. This is our YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're looking for a church home, look no further. Come to New Covenant Church. And if you want to get a part of the Dream Team, you got to come and get with the Dream Team. Thank you so much.